Welcome back to 4K Tech. This is how you do a factory reset on a picture frame TV. So you want to go over to the left, go all the way down to settings. Then once you're at the bottom here, scroll all the way down to the right here. And you'll see all settings. Click that and scroll all the way down to general and privacy. Scroll to the right, all the way down to the bottom here, click reset, and then you're gonna pick, on the picture frame TVs should be defaulted at 0, 0, 0, 0. And then it'll tell you if you want to process all data will be deleted. This will do a factory reset. So here we go. And that's how you factory reset your picture frame TV.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.